Guys, just think about it. You're permanently deleting some files to free up space, and somehow the one folder you actually needed gets deleted instead. The panic kicks in, you rush to the recycle bin, it's already empty. At that point, most people just give up and assume those files are gone forever. But today, we're going to try recovering those permanently deleted files.
So, I've got this folder right here. It contains a bunch of stock videos that I use in most of my videos. Now, to make this test as realistic as possible, I'm going to permanently delete it using Shift+Delete. Here's the recycle bin. It's completely empty, so those files are officially gone. Now, let's try recovering them. For this, I'll be using a tool called EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Now, there are quite a few data recovery tools available these days, but one thing that caught my attention is its Smart Sector Rebuild technology. It's designed to rebuild fragmented files during the recovery process, helping improve the chances of recovering deleted data successfully. If you want to try it yourself, I've left the official download link in the description below. Just click the free trial button, and it'll start downloading the setup file. The installation process is pretty straightforward, so I'll leave that part to you. Once you launch the software, this is the first screen you'll see. In the hardware section, you'll find all the storage drives currently connected to your PC. If you've lost data from a USB drive or a memory card, simply connect it to your computer, and it'll appear here automatically. It also includes a few additional recovery options, like recovering data after a system crash, but we'll save those for another video. For now, we just need to tell the software where our files were deleted from. Since I deleted the folder from this drive right here, I'll select it and click Scan. Now the software starts searching through the drive, looking for recently deleted files, along with anything else it can recover. Depending on the size of your drive, this process can take a little while. All right, the scan is now complete. It found 48 files with a total size of almost 500 megabytes. Now, let's see if it actually recovered our folder. And there it is. If I open it up, you can see all of the videos are right here. Before recovering anything, you can even preview each file to make sure it's the one you're looking for. Once you're ready, you can either select individual files or simply check this option to recover everything at once. Now, click Recover, and it'll ask you where you want to save the recovered files. One thing I'd recommend before starting the recovery is enabling the File Repair option. It'll automatically repair supported files during the recovery process. Once you've selected the destination, just click Save. And that's it. The recovery process is complete. Now, let's open the folder and see if everything came back properly. So, the videos are playing perfectly, and every single file was recovered successfully. Overall, I think EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard did a really good job. The process was straightforward, the interface was easy to understand, and most importantly, it recovered the files without any issues. The good thing is, you can recover up to 2 gigabytes of data for free, which I think is more than enough for recovering important documents, photos, or even smaller video files. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and sticking till the end. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.